Want to take your truck to the next level? Check out First Edition Customs at Don Hattan Derby. So coming off the lot, this particular truck had all the options that I wanted on it and then some. However, for the exterior, there were a few things I wanted to kind of beef it up with. So with First Edition Customs over at Don Hattan Derby, they put on a 6-inch rough country lift, and it just makes it stand out that much more. On top of that, I had to go with a little bit more beefy tires just so it didn't have that stock look to it. So I went with 22-inch 4-plays and 35-inch Terra Grapplers, and I could not be more pleased. I absolutely love it. For those of you who want to step up your off-road vehicle performance, whether it's on a truck or an SUV or Jeep, whatever it may be, check out First Edition Customs at Don Hattan. They'll work with you and make it easy going for you. They even have some financing options available as well.